Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I am working in my envelope scrap journal. I haven't worked in it in a while, and I don't know if you've seen the scrap monsters. They were popular a while ago. I made some and they've just been floating around my desk, and I thought, well, I should just stick them in one of the envelopes in my scrap journal, but I have to decorate it first, right? So I'm going to make a little pocket for my scrap monsters. I decided the quickest and easiest way was to just colorize it with some of my watercolors, and this is a koi watercolor set that I have. It's a student grade, but it's a lot of fun and has pretty good pigment color. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link down below. Try to remember. If I don't, you can just get after me if you're interested. I did pick mine up at Hobby Lobby, so you can get it there too. I'm just doing a variety of blue on here and some purple. I picked an envelope with a big window so we could see what we're keeping inside. So while we let that dry, we're going to work on the insert. I wanted a backdrop, so if I ever use all my little scrap monsters, I'll have something interesting to look at inside the window. So we're going to just use colors that are kind of contrasting to the blue. So I'm using oranges and red and pinks. And, a touch of purple. It's always fun. And not planning, just covering it with color. And this is just, gosh, I don't even know if it's stiff enough to be cardstock, but it's not copy paper. It might be cardstock. So it kind of gets a little warped with water, but. So now that it's dry, I have a little monster stamp, so we're going to stick a monster on our background. go. Usually using some colored pens. They're Stabilo colored pens. Got those in my art snacks a while ago. Now I decided I wanted to say monster or something. So we're going to pull out some more stamps and we're going to stamp the word monster. If you're interested in how I made my envelope or any of the pages you saw prior, I will put a link to the playlist either at the end of the video or down below. Also, my scrap monsters that I made, I think they're a video, so I will include that one as well down below. There we go. Now we've got our monsters on there. We're going to add my little scrap monsters. Aren't they fun? I decided to stick one on the outside. And he's the smallest, so these guys will go in and he'll go on the outside. Decided I needed it flat so I could glue it on good. There we go. Alright, so there it is. My little monster pocket envelope. Hope you liked that video. Hope it gives you some ideas of what you can do. And check out the links below if you'd like to see more about this envelope journal. And if you did like the video, please hit like. It helps me out. Feel free to share, comment. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.